How to fix links not working or opening on X. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the X application and see if the error is still occurring. And if yes, then simply swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and force quit X application along with all the apps running in the background. And once you have force quitted, go ahead and open X again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as weak or unstable internet can stop links from loading. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, you can also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to the X application and tap on it. Further, go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for X. Here, make sure that the X application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the X application. And just in case if your issue is not fixed yet, then if you are using the X application, then you can simply try to use X in a web browser, or you can also change your default browser, or you can use it in some other device and see what the problem actually is. See if that helps, and if not, then if you were connected to any kind of VPN services, then go ahead and disable VPN or private DNS, as VPNs and DNS filters sometimes block redirect links from X. Also, if you have enabled low power mode, then go ahead and disable the low power mode too, as aggressive battery optimization may break background browser loading. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and then tap hold on the X application and delete the app and reinstall the X application again, as doing this will give the app a fresh restart. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be that the X server are having problems. So you can simply wait for the X servers to be working just fine. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix links not working or opening on X. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.